The weather is so unpredictable nowadays, I can't even imagine AC cooling efficiently in these diverse ambient conditions.
You don't know about LG's AI dual inverter technology?
No, I don't. But seriously, how could that help in this situation?
Let me explain to you how it works and then you will know. The AI dual inverter can predict the appropriate cooling conditions due to its ability to sense not only the weather but the room conditions and hence choose the required fan speed, wind position and temperature settings.
Really? Wow! This sounds like perfect AC which automatically cools as per user requirement.
And that's not all. With an intelligent logic of ADC sensor, dual rotary compressor, hyper capacity 4-way swing, it's an AC which makes cooling highly comfortable and can uniformly cool any room.
That's just the AC we all need. LG Dual Cool Air Conditioners.
Life's good.